Okay, so right now we are going to look at creating dot plots from raw data. If we look at what we have here, we have a set of data. I'll just change the colour here. Okay. Set of data here that are math scores, and before we present them as dot plots, sometimes we'll be asked to put the data into a frequency table. Now I'll just do this very quickly with the first one. Okay, there's one score of 5, there are 3 scores of 6, there are 5 scores of 7, 3 scores of 8 and 2 scores of 9. Okay, and we need to total that up. Okay, that's 14. And what we use to show that, we can use n equals, or another thing we can use is, this means the sum of, this symbol here is sigma, it means the sum of the frequencies. Okay, so that's what we'll use today. All right, now that we've got our data in a frequency table, and you can do the dot plot either directly from the data, untabled data, or from table. It doesn't actually matter, except that the questions do ask us to put in into a table sometimes. Now, a dot plot just has one horizontal line, okay, one axis, okay. This is the x-axis, or equivalent to the x-axis, and along the bottom we will just have here whatever is in this column here, so our x values, okay. So in this case it's numerical data, so a score of 5, a score of 6, a score of 7, a score of 8, and a score of 9, okay. And how many people scored 5? Okay, 1, so we just do one dot. And how many scored 6? 3 people scored 6, so we have 3 dots. 5 people scored 7 on their maths test. 3 people scored 8, and 2 people scored 9. Now I've taken those directly from the table here, but I could have equally have taken them just one at a time from up here as well, okay. Now, dot plots work not only for numerical data, which is in example 1, you know, these are all numbers down here, okay, also works for categorical data, okay. So in our X column here, we have categories, types of cars. So we have 4-wheel drives, SUVs, sedans, and sports cars, okay. So they are what goes on the bottom here on our x-axis. So this is 4-wheel drives, this is SUVs, sedans, and sports cars. I've left myself a little bit tight with the rim. Sports cars, okay. And once again, how many 4-wheel drives were there? There were 7 in our survey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 3 SUVs. There were 6 sedans. Try and keep them fairly even looking across. And there were 2 sports cars. So that's pretty much it, okay. Can you please get on with exercise 14.3, questions 1, 2A and B, and question 4. Thank you.